Good morning to everyone. Yes, see children, class second, term 1, we already completed the chapter 1, the star, isn't it? You all wrote in notebook? Yes, question answers opposite words? Yes, we'll go for chapter 2 now. Chapter 2. We'll go for chapter 2. Take out your term 1, class 2, page number 11. See here I wrote page number 11. Page number 11. Term 1, page number 11. See here, page number 11. See children, question number 1. Question number 1. Correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. The king had 2 sons. The king had two sons. What will be the answer? The king had 3 sons. Right, children? The king had 3 sons. Not 2, isn't it? It is a 3 sons. Okay, next. We'll go for second answer. This is the first answer. Question number 1. First answer. Okay. Now we'll go for second answer. We'll go for second answer. The second son was Sam. The second son. Right answer. The second son was John. It is not Sam. It is John. We'll go for third answer. We'll go for third answer. John kept a lamp in a room. No. Eric kept a lamp in the room. Okay. Next we'll go for fourth answer. We'll go for fourth answer. The king praised Sam. No. The king praised P-R-I-A-S-E-D praised Sam. It is a Sam. Okay. Yes. Next we'll go for, see children, you are supposed to write in the answer in here. Okay. See ma'am wrote on the board. Question number 1, supposed to write the answers in this dashes. Okay. We'll go for question number 2. We'll go for question number 2. Okay. We'll go for question number 2. First one. Fully. Fully is there, na children? There you have to write completely. Fully, completely. What is the? See, write the words in the lesson that have these meanings. Okay. Now, second one. A white fiber. Cotton. It is a cotton. It is a cotton. Now, third one. That gives light. Lamp. It is called lamp. It called lamp. Next, fourth one, center, middle. Center means middle. Okay. You are supposed to write these words after this. See children, after this, your dashes are given. There you all have to write completely cotton, lamp and middle. Understood? You are supposed to write this answer. We'll go for question answers now. We'll go for question answers now. Understood children? Yes. Now write neat handwriting. I want very good handwriting. Understood? When you are writing, you are supposed to write in good handwriting. Understood? Yes. Write it neat handwriting. Third, we'll go for question number 3. Answer the following. Answer the following. First question. Why did the king want to test his son? First answer children. First answer. See the question. Why did the king want to test his son? The king, write the answers neatly children. Became The king became very old. The king became very old and was on his deathbed. He had, write it neat handwriting, children. He had to choose the next king before his death. This will be the first answer. See, children, two lines are given here. First answer. You are supposed to write this answer here. Okay? Here, first answer. Next, we'll go for second answer. See, children, what occupies more space, cotton or diamonds? What occupies more space, cotton and diamonds? Cotton occupies more space. Okay, this will be the second answer. We'll go for third answer now. We'll move for third answer now. See the question. How did Eric win the test? The king asked, write the answer, children. The king asked his sons to fill his room completely with something. Eric kept a lamp. Its light filled the room completely. Okay, this will be the third answer, children. See, your two lines are given. Third one, two lines are given here. You are supposed to write third answer there. Now fourth answer. We'll go for fourth answer now. We'll move on to now fourth answer. See, children, who spent a lot of money to win the test? The king's first son. The king's first son, Sam. The name is Sam. Spent a lot of money to win the test. Okay, this will be the fourth answer. We'll go for last fifth answer now. We'll move on to now fifth answer. See, children, can you guess other thing that spreads all over room? Yes, like light, even smell, good or bad. Okay, see, children, take out your notebook, long notebook. See, you supposed to write here the answers, question answers, and then take out your long notebook. English book is separate. You all wrote the first lesson there, isn't it? first chapter is done. We'll move on to second chapter, and we today what we wrote here, question answers, correct the following sentences, find the words. This 3-part page number 11 you all supposed to write in your notebook. Long notebook, English long notebook. Today's homework is you all supposed to write question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 in your English notebook. Okay? Yes, tomorrow I'll continue the next page. Okay? Yes.